A blessed day, everyone. Magandang araw po na linggo sa inyong lahat. Mga kapatid, tayo ngayon ay nasa ikatlong linggo na sa karaniwang panahon, January 26, 2025. At ang linggong ito ay tinatawag na Linggo ng Salita ng Diyos o National Bible Sunday. Ang ating ebanghelyo ay mula sa ebanghelyo ni San Lucas chapter 1 verses 1 to 4, then chapter 4 verses 14 to 21. Since many have undertaken to compile a narrative of the events that have been fulfilled among us, just as those who were eyewitnesses from the beginning and ministers of the word have handed them down to us, I too have decided, after investigating everything accurately anew, to write it down in an orderly sequence for you, most excellent Theophilus, so that you may realize the certainty of the teachings you have received. Jesus returned to Galilee in the power of the Spirit, and news of him spread throughout the whole region. He taught in the synagogues and was praised by all. He came to Nazareth, where he had grown up, and went according to his custom into the synagogues on the Sabbath day. He stood up to read, and was handed the scroll of the prophet Isaiah. He unrolled the scroll and found the passage where it was written, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because he has anointed me to bring glad tidings to the poor. He has sent me to proclaim liberty to captives, and recovery of sight to the blind, to let the oppressed go free, and to proclaim a year acceptable to the Lord." Rolling up the scroll, he handed it back to the attendant and sat down. And the eyes of all in the synagogues looked intently at him. He said to them, "Today this scripture passage is fulfilled in your hearing." So again, a blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat. Dalangin ko na ang bawat sa inyo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan sa araw na ito, araw ng linggo, na kung saan sa linggong ito ay pinagdiriwang natin ang Linggo ng Salita ng Panginoon o tinatawag rin na National Bible Sunday. Sabi ni Kristo sa Ebanghelyo, "Today, the scripture passage is fulfilled in your hearing." Si Kristo nga ang kaganapan ng mga ipinahayag ng mga propeta sa lumang tipan. Kaya diringgin natin, Panginoon, sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay, at naway ang kanyang salita ay maghatid sa atin ng kalakasan at maging gabay sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Kaya mga kapatid, sa ating pagdiriwang ng National Bible Sunday, pinaalalahanan tayo sa kahalagahan ng salita ng Panginoon, at naway tunay nga na magkaroon ng kaganapan ang salita ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng ating pagpapatuloy nito sa buhay natin. Maging bahagi tayo ng kaganapan ng salita ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng ating pakikiisa sa misyon ng ating Panginoon. Let our brothers and sisters experience the presence of Jesus through us. Maging instrumento tayo sa presensya ng Diyos sa ating mga kapatid na ating nakakasalamuha araw-araw. So sa inyong lahat, a blessed Sunday, at nawa ingatan kayo lagi ng Panginoon sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa buhay, at nawa hayaan natin ang Panginoon na magbigay ng panibagong buhay sa tuwing ating pinananahan, pinakikinggan at isinasabuhay ang kanyang salita. So again, a blessed day, and rest assured of my prayers for each one of you.